We used to believe that memory fades with age, that forgetting things was part of being human. But something strange is happening. People of all ages, teenagers, adults, even children, are forgetting more than ever before. Not because their brains are weak, but because something is rewriting how memory works. And that something is our phones. Most people think smartphones made life easier. They made communication faster, information instant, and entertainment infinite. But what no one told you is that this came with a silent cost. Your phone isn't just distracting you, it's rewiring your brain. Researchers at Harvard University and University College London have confirmed something alarming. Our dependence on digital devices is changing how the brain stores information. We're not losing our memory, we're outsourcing it. Think about it. You don't memorize phone numbers anymore. You don't remember birthdays, your phone does. You don't even navigate streets with your own sense of direction. GPS thinks for you. And because the brain is efficient, it follows a simple rule. If I don't use it, I'll stop storing it. So little by little, your brain stops forming certain types of memories because it believes your phone will remember for you. Scientists call this digital amnesia. You don't. Remember less because you have a bad memory. You remember less because you never stored the memory in the first place. The brain builds memory through attention. But the phone destroys attention. And without attention, there is no memory. How many times have you scrolled for an hour and remembered nothing? How many conversations did you only half listen to? How many beautiful moments passed by while you were too busy turning them into Instagram stories? We used to live experiences. Now we collect them. We used to feel life. Now we record it. And the more we record, the less we remember. But this goes deeper. Harvard psychologists discovered that when people know they can look something up later, they are less likely to store it in memory. It's called the Google effect. Your brain simply says, why remember it? I can search it. So instead of storing knowledge, your brain stores where to find it. Your memory is becoming a search engine, not a library. And here comes the real danger. When you give up your memory, you give up your identity. You're not just your name or your job or your face in the mirror. You are your memories. Everything you dream, love, fear, believe comes from what your mind has stored. If your memory weakens, so does your mind. If your mind weakens, so does your freedom. Today, most people can't spend 10 minutes alone with their own thoughts. Silence feels uncomfortable. Boredom feels painful. Why? Because the brain has been conditioned to crave stimulation. The phone doesn't just change how you think, it changes what you think about, and then it changes who you become. But here is the truth they don't want you to know. This is not irreversible. Your brain is not broken. It's distracted. It can recover. It can grow. It can become powerful again. Neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself, never stops. But that rewiring depends on one thing: focus. No memory without attention. No strength without training. No intelligence without effort. If you want your brain back, you must take it. You don't need to throw away your phone. You need to take back control of your mind. Use technology, but don't allow it to use you. Value real thoughts again. Feel life again. Be present again. Because life is not lived inside a screen. It is lived inside your mind. Your phone is not the enemy. Your dependency is. And the moment you choose awareness, you win. If you're ready to understand more about how your mind truly works and how to reclaim your focus in a world designed to destroy it, stay here. Subscribe and let's wake up before we forget who we are.